In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message on Imo. If you're new to the app or just want a quick refresher, this process is very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can send a message with confidence. First, open the Imo app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded before moving on, so all of your conversations and contacts can appear properly. If your internet connection is slow, it may take a moment for the app to finish syncing. Once the app is open, sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you can simply continue to the next step. If not, enter your login details and wait for Imo to take you to the main screen. This is where you'll be able to access your chats and contact list. Next, tap either Chats or Contacts, depending on what you want to use. If you recently talked to the person, the chat section is usually the fastest option because it shows your recent conversations. If you want to start a message with someone from your saved list, the contacts section can help you find them. After that, select the person you want to message. Tap on their name or conversation to open the chat window. Once you're inside the conversation, you'll see the message area at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type whatever you want to send. Now tap the text box and type your message. Take a moment to review what you wrote, especially if it's important. This can help you catch typing mistakes before the message goes out. If your keyboard covers part of the screen, that's normal. Just focus on the message field and finish typing. When your message is ready, tap the send button, which is usually shown as a paper airplane icon. As soon as you tap it, your message will be sent to the other person. In most cases, you'll see it appear immediately in the conversation thread. And that's it. That's how to message on Imo. Open the app, sign in, go to Chats or Contacts, choose the person, type your message, and tap Send. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and natural process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.